If you step on this character, who's this? How about this? How about this? If you step on this character, how about this? But you step on this character. Who is this character? It's Superman. Now, who owns this body? You don't know? Doctor Strange? We put the head on the body. If you set stuff on a different character, you will have a different superhero, tama? But you stop on, who's this head? Superman. Everybody, what's the magic? Because high five, hero, because of your choice, magic will happen. Everybody say magic. What's the cartoon character? Everybody say magic. Here we go. Don't play. This is the magic. Oh! Superman! Everybody clap for Kiro. Thank you so much, Kiro. And look at the back. It's Superman as well.